Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Friday, June 27th. Well, what did we look for? We had some very interesting fundamentals that came out as we talked about in the advanced video. It stimulated the stock indices, and what we're seeing is Asia basically opening up on change here in the Russell, follow through a positive close going into the weekend. That's what we're looking for in the stock market. Let's take a look, though, at some of these other markets. If you look at the Aussie dollar, it firmed up against the U.S. dollar, but not a confident close. Look for an inside day in that market. And when it comes to Bitcoin, it's trying to figure out what to do. Potential, what I call false sense of security, is that structure. Asia opening up a little bit weaker. Be careful here if you're on the long side. And when it comes to silver, trying to firm up, opening stronger in Asia, be careful with that. That is not necessarily a sign of strength. We could easily come back in that market. And when it comes to nat gas, this is bouncy. It's at levels that we have seen buying. Can it follow through? I'm looking for an inside day in that market. And I feel the same way about corn. Corn is a false sense of security, potentially bullish. Be careful here. This is where buyers have entered before in that market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. And as always, take care.